So guys, today I switched from the iPhone 12 Pro Max to the Surface Duo, and honestly, you guys are gonna see in this video my honest thoughts and opinions. So right now everything is recorded with my webcam right now, but you guys are gonna see I'm gonna do this video is gonna be a vlog series type of video where we record my honest thoughts and opinions of using the Surface Duo. So everything you're about to watch in this video is recorded by the Surface Duo, so any video you see will be recorded by the Surface Duo. At the end of this video, I'm gonna go ahead and give my honest thoughts and opinions of the Surface Duo, and after a day of owning it, what do I think, how do I like it, what do I dislike, that kind of stuff, guys. So let's go ahead and get right into it, boys. All right, just came downstairs, guys, and my dog crapped all over my floor, so that's gonna be a great way to start this off right away. The day with the Surface Duo is the day my dog crapped in the house. Okay, so as you guys know, today will be the day in the life of the Surface Duo. I'm going to be going ahead. I woke up, got all my videos up to YouTube. Going to go ahead and take a shower, go to work, and obviously, you guys will see the whole entire process of that and how it ends up working out. This is my first time going to work without an iPhone, like ever. So I don't know how I feel about that. I'm going to probably miss the iPhone a little bit, but I don't know. The video quality, we'll see how it ends up being in the end here, but man, let's get it. Work. I don't have a car mount that actually probably will work with this phone. It might not. I don't know. Let's get it, boys. So I'm about to leave for work. My phone's at 85% charge. It is around 3 p.m. So I work till like 10 o'clock tonight. So we're gonna be interested to see how the battery actually keeps up throughout the day, but we're gonna see, guys, because to be honest, I don't know. This is actually more in the low light setting of the Surface Duo. Something that the Surface Duo is not the greatest at is low light. So is low light good? Is it bad? A lot of people have been talking trash about this camera and this device. Question is it warranted? I don't know. You guys are gonna have to decide that after watching this video, what you guys are thinking, but stay in life, Surface Duo. Right now going to work, guys. So in the car, gonna be working all day. So we're gonna see how well this ends up holding up. I'm a dishwasher, so this is not gonna go with me in my, I'm gonna keep this in my locker, so it's not gonna be with me. This is not waterproof phone. Do not think this is waterproof by any stretch of imagination. So I'm gonna go ahead and probably just keep this in my locker the whole entire time. But guys, it's gonna be interesting to see a daily life of a Surface Duo. Let's get it, boys. Alright guys, so now we are updating at 10:16 p.m. So use this device for the whole entire day. It's at 58%, so it only went down 42%. And I will say, using it in my car was a lot different than obviously using it in, like when I'm not in my car. And I do have a holder that actually does fit the device, but the issue with the power button being on the side here, it actually goes ahead and holds in the power button when I put it in my holster, and it actually goes ahead and resets the phone. So my phone reset twice when I'm driving. I'm like, what's going on? It's because I think it's actually holding the power button and resetting it. So the power button location, definitely not good if you're going to have a phone holder for this device. You're going to have to get one of those that actually goes ahead and goes to around the top and bottom. Because if you have one like me where it's the sides, you can do it in phone mode and then have a holster, but it's just going to be, in my opinion, it's not going to work out. But definitely, I will say, I love this device so far, and this is only after one day, obviously. Alright, so honest thoughts and opinions. It's a great device. I really do love the device. I fell in love with the ability to have dual screens. Being able to actually go ahead and multitask very, very greatly is actually awesome. Now, I will say that this phone has actually only crashed on me 2 times. And I think both times was both times in my car. And I think it crashed mainly because of the fact that my holder in my car held in the power button, because the power button on the right hand side, really a weird spot for the power button, because it's not even like it's like higher up like the iPhone. It's actually lower, which is actually really a bad place for it. Nonetheless though, so it's only crashed on me twice, 2 or 3 times, and that was from my car. I think my holder It hasn't crashed other than that. I know something a lot of people have been saying is that it has crashed a lot for people. It did not crash for me outside of that. Battery life, I didn't use it non-stop, but I did use it a good amount at work, and it went down 42% in around a 6-hour period. That's not bad at all. I think that's a really, really good. I'll be honest, I absolutely love this device. I really do love this device. Now, it's interesting though, because I'm a dishwasher, right? So my job is to wash dishes. I do that full time. And because I'm a dishwasher, I can bring my iPhone 12 Pro Max in the dish room. I can be on the phone while I'm washing dishes. I can go ahead and fling it everywhere, whatever, have it water. I've never had a case on this iPhone 12 Pro Max. Check it out. We're talking about no cracks, no scratches, stainless steel, thing's a tank, no issue at all. Today was the first day I had to go ahead and put my phone in a locker and keep it there the whole entire shift, because I could not bring the Surface Duo in the dish room. Now, that's not a big deal, right? Because at the end of the day, I'm working that dish room with 170-degree water, right, all the time. So not having a phone in there is actually not a big deal, obviously. But that's where I will say I don't really like the Surface Duo, is the no waterproof, no IP rating. And I'm not talking about the dish room. I'm talking about being outside in the rain. If I'm outside, let's say it's torrentially downpouring, right, and I have the Surface Duo on me, I do honestly feel kind of scared. I feel like, hey, if I have the Surface Duo in the rain, I have a chance of breaking it. I do. And I don't like that. Like, I really do not like the fact that it's not waterproof, or at least an IP rating of some kind, so I can feel a little bit more safer with this device. And I know, in all honesty, it's almost impossible to give them the IP rating. I mean, at this point, it's literally 2 screens put together by a hinge. The amount of cracks that water could get into is honestly crazy. And I don't think the brand new Surface Duo 2 will also probably not have a IP rating, because it can. Same thing with the Galaxy Fold 1, 2, and 3. It's not going to have an IP rating. I did say with the Galaxy Fold 3, I'm hoping that they can put maybe the slightest IP rating, but they probably won't. So overall, this device, like I said, productivity amazing. I run 2 apps on either screen. I'm going back and forth. I will say it's a complete eye test. Like, everyone loves seeing it. Everyone calls it a Nintendo DS for some reason. I had 7 coworkers in a row call this a DS. They're like, "Oh, you brought your DS to work? Your Nintendo DS?" And I'm like, "No, it's a phone." Like, a phone that looks like a DS. But at the end of the day, when they see it, they're like, "Oh my god, this is amazing. Hardware is amazing." I will say software is, out of 100, it's like a 75. It's definitely a little buggy, okay? It's not 100%, as perfect as it could be. You really learn quickly. You got to close applications. You can't have 17 applications on your phone at once. And the reason why is because if you do that and you have them running at one time, you're going to use up your RAM and you're going to crash your phone, right? Like I said, it only crashed me 3 times, mainly because of the holster in my car. But still, you got to make sure you do that. So other than that, so it can run slow from time to time. There's time to time where it will go ahead and just be, you click on something, you didn't mean to click on that, or you didn't click on that and it automatically opened it. There will be times that it's not going to be the fastest device out there. It is running a what's called a older processor, which is still a great processor, but it's an older processor. So there will be times, hiccups here and there. It probably should have 12 gigabytes of RAM on this device, and it has 6. So that's another thing that obviously will be improved in Surface Duo 2. But yeah, overall, I'm going to say I definitely do recommend it. I love the device personally. If you download the Kindle app and you can read a book on it, it's amazing. So out of 10, out of 100, I'm going to give this device a solid 95. I think it's a great device. I think it has its quirks, but listen, this is, if you want what this device offers for $750 less than it originally came out for, go for it. I think it's a great device. I love this device, and You know, it's not gonna be perfect, but nothing ever is. Thank you guys for watching. No, I'll see you guys next one. Peace out.